we try to help them to make their work more easy. What is our goal now? We want to, this partnership is very young. Yeah, you have to see we are already some months working with that, and our goal is to go farther, to make more support. We are today talked, for example, with the Stadtwerke in Trier, to help Izyum with the energy infrastructure. I think it's one of the most the problems that are have to solve very soon, and we try to get some solar panels there and some units to save energy and help them on this way, because we think that is a very important thing to do now. And also we try to get some vehicles there, for example, for rebuilding infrastructure or for the fire department, so they can do their work. Yeah, we are searching for collaborations, of course. It's the one thing to get the administrations together, but we have also to see that the civil society will support this partnership, and I'm very happy to say that they do this, but it's much of work to get in contact with all the for example, the businesses or the organizations that can help us to evolve this partnership. Yeah, of course, we want to go there in the next year again to help with the energy infrastructure and other things we are already started. We are in good contact with some organizations and people there who help us to identify the priority goals we have to reach, and yeah, that is our way, and I hope we can inspire more people to support Ukraine on that way, and also I hope we can inspire more people also to get there, because it's a dangerous place, of course, but what we get back from the people there is when we went there, they are so happy to see Western people, German people are there, talk to them, support them, and not only from Germany far away, but they are there and support them on the ground. And I think that is very important for that. And I hope we can evolve this partnership in the next time. And of course, if there are any questions after that, I'm here for that. And I hope you understand me. My English is not the best, but I tried, and I hope it was interesting for you.
Thank you. I think it is very impressive that to make a partnership with a city in danger at these times, and as I understand it correctly, Tobias Schneider played a key role in establishing this partnership. I would now like to introduce Anastasia Kulak, who came to us from Kharkiv. She's an architect in Kharkiv and innovation manager of the architectural company Portal-21. Portal-21 envisions a new type of living for the inhabitants of Izyum, who experienced first socialism and now war. And I listened to your talk on YouTube at a conference, and you said that you want to develop a friendly form of living. So,
yeah.
Right? So the floor is yours, and I will try to open the presentation. Sorry, takes a second. This one, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Good evening. First of all, I want to express my gratitude for the opportunities to speak here about Izyum, about Ukraine, about cities and our challenges. I would like to say you a big thank you for that. My name is Anastasia Gulak. I'm co-curator of the project, Urban and Community Project Izyum Recovery, which we do together with the partners in Germany, ARCHITEKTENWERKGRUPPE, my company Portal-21, and this project was supported and co-financed by ZMINA rebuilding program. We already spoke today about that, and created with the support of the European Union as a part of special call for proposals to support Ukrainian IDPs and the Ukrainian cultural and creative sector. With the IZOLYATSIA, Trans-European Halls and Malý, Berlín, Slovakia. Here on this slide you see already the organization who helped us to develop and to move these projects. In organization of events for project visibility, it's a Kharkiv regional government administration and Izyum administration. Finding the partners in Germany, it starts here in Tübingen 1 year ago by supporting of Deutsche GZ and Export Academy Baden-Württemberg. And at the end, the project implementation by our company, ARCHITEKTENWERKGRUPPE and Stadtlandfluss. The goal of our project is to create together a sustainable and beautiful adaptive neighborhood model for effective communication between nature and people, following the values of new European Bauhaus. I want to add that adaptive, it's also mean that we can adapt the solutions of this project on also other territories of Ukraine, because a lot of buildings are the same all around. It's our Soviet past, it's our heritage, which we need to develop and integrate the inclusivity inside, because now it's absolutely not inclusive. As example, we took and analyzed the French Quarter here in Tübingen as a successful project, which is already, I think, 30 years, is function very well. Perhaps there are some issues, but it's a very strong social aspect there inside and urban. You can see now there is a lot of life, if comparable with the first military base ground. And as well, the climate urban district is interesting for us for analyzing, and is it very strong technology side includes this district. So we wish and we believe that Ukraine and Izyum can also start to be a technological. The elements which we took for adaptation, it's a system of public and administrative communication and interaction, existing pedestrian and transport infrastructure, surrounding and intra-quarter environment, the existing commercial neighborhood system, existing residential and administrative development, energy system, neighborhood power supply, existing security system neighborhood, and cultural environment. Who we want that be involved in the project in the future and also now, that's municipalities of the cities, communities and experts from Ukraine and Germany. And if there will be another country, that will be only welcome. What has already been done on the way to our goal? First of all, we were on the location and meet the people who were living there. And I was strongly surprised that they were not depressive. They are very, it's a resilient community. It's an example of resilience because they want to stay in the city and they want to rebuild it and recover also themselves. The very important very important step what we did is we signed the memorandum of cooperation between our company, architectural company Portal-21, Izyum City Council and Department of Urban Planning and Architecture of Kharkiv, military administration. So now we can act together and they all support us. In April, we did a webinar with Professor Christian Kupfer, who was today here in this auditorium, but he felt himself very bad, so he needed to go home. And it was the webinar about adaptive strategy for sustainable city development. I need to say that there were more than 70 people attended that webinar, and all of them were expert auditorium. So it were different from different communities, city councils, mayors, experts in ecology, architects, urbanists. In May this year, we presented project concept in Kharkiv, in the city of, perhaps you know, it's a big city. Before the war, there were almost 2 million people. For representatives of municipalities and community. Here on the photos you see at the right side there's a representative of community, people who are living in Izyum, and also administration. In the same months, we held a discussion about recovery in the broad sense. I mean, it's not only about buildings. We need to recover ourselves. We need to recover mentally after this, and it's continuous, so it's not finished.